I said the same thing that you are saying now, that people shouldn't support Bafana because of their egos. When we come as a nation, we need to be together. We need to be united. We need to leave the politics of supporting the three big clubs in the country. People like comparing, and you can only imagine what Lyle Foster was going through after missing the penalty, because just before he took the ball, Themba Zwane had the ball on his head and people started singing Tito's name, and Tito obviously didn't make the final 26, but Orlando Pirates fans started booing Themba Zwane. Themba Zwane left the ball for Lyle Foster, whom is playing in the Premier League, and people started booing him as well. So we need to leave our differences of favoring certain individuals and not favoring the rest of the other players because they are not playing in the PSL. Every player that is called up to go to represent Bafana, we as a nation have to come together and support the team. And it was so heartbreaking to witness that they were booing our very own players that are going to represent us in the world stage. So I urge the fans to unite when the national team is playing.
Hayibo abafethu, angazi usuke wayibona le interview kaKhune le uKhune labafethu ukhuluma into engingayizwa kahle, yabo izwe ne voice yakho uyayizwa impela ukuthi ifuna kwakhala ivoice yakhe. Ukhuluma into engekho mfethu iTumela Khune lana uthi Itu ngesikhathi uZwane ethatha ibhola iBafana ithola ipenalty yoyinikeza uFoster, abalandeli babechenta bethi Tito weTito. Wayelapho uTito Bafana leso sikhathi babemchenta ukuthi ezonzane elapho ngoba uTito wayekwakhe noma yekubo. 2 uthi uKhune ngesikhathi uFoster ethatha ibhola yoshaya ipenalty, abalandeli beOrlando Pirates they were booing uFoster. Abalandeli beOrlando Pirates basidlala Bafana. How did he tell ukuthi abalandeli bePirates? Wabona kanjani uKhune ukuthi abalandeli bePirates laba lona lo mlandeli wePirates and we booing uLyle Foster? No man. Le agenda nizama ukuyiphusha le agenda Khune. If uphusha abalandeli bePirates uthi abasupport Bafana, bengabheka abalandeli abadlali babo, bengabheka abadlali babo abasupport Bafana, ukhuluma neaudience wrong Khune. Kunabantu abasabayo Khune abadinga ukukhulunywa nabo, uyabasaba uzobasabela abalandeli bePirates. Msangidlala ngathi Khune. Mhlawumbe madoda kithi nadlala ibhola nadela ake nisuke nima microphone because niyabheda. Sukani kuma microphone ngoba niyabheda. Manje nabona microphone nivele nibhede. Nithatha inzondo nilethe phambili. Nithatha ubrival bamaqembu lanodlalela nilethe phambili. How can you tell ukuthi abalandeli bePirates ababebush uFoster lapha? How can you tell? You are the last people abangafika la platform bezositshela ukuthi abalandeli bePirates abasupport Bafana beyokusupport abadlali babo. Ukube kunjalo ngaba sinabo abantu abasupport iMexico namhlanje uthini ngabo? Angikazi ngizwe usho lutho ngaleyo nto leyo ukuthi abantu abasupport iMexico namhlanje. Iyanyanyisa into enenza kakhulu afuna uqhamanga ama legend nje ebhola semzansi ninenzondo embi futhi izonakhela isidina senibadala. Besinithanda as players. Ngaye ngenza ivideo la ngikurace ngikubeka le phezulu kugoalkeeper sayisanabo lomzansi. Ngikuthanda ukuduka sekukhavumela iKaizer Chiefs isimo ngayisupport kodwa. Namhlanje senizoyikhipha kuthina senama legend. Nizoyikhipha kuthina late. Kwathiwa yinhle indlela oqeda ngayo noqala ngayo. Nina ke nibheda kabi ke. Eniqale ngayo yinhle, nizobheda nje egcineni. Nizokhunjulwa kanjani? How can you tell ukuthi abalandeli bePirates babebush uFoster? Wabona kanjani?
All abafethu yazi bafethu ne iPirates bafethu angazi yenzeni bafethu. Wabona this thing of siwinele league bafethu. Bafethu. It could be the biggest mistake we ever done, Buffett, because it's South Africa against us, Buffett. I'm a Buccaneer, Buffett. So watch this video, Buffett. Listen to this.
You can only imagine what Lyle Foster was going through after missing the penalty, because just before he took the ball, Themba Zwane had the ball on his head. Orlando Pirates fans started booing Themba Zwane. Themba Zwane left the ball for Lyle Foster, whom is playing in the Premier League, and people started booing him as well. So we need to leave our differences of favoring certain individuals and not favoring the rest of the other players because they are not playing in the PSL. Every player that is called up to go to represent Bafana, we as a nation have to come together and support the team. And it was so heartbreaking to witness that they were booing our very own players that are going to represent us in the world stage. So I urge the fans to unite when the national team is playing.
Marabafetu, what is going on in South Africa against us, Bafetu? Why is South Africa against Pirates, Bafetu? You see what I say when I say like Pirates did the biggest mistake by winning the league, Bafetu? Because these people are against us. Angazi, Bafetu. Angazi, I don't know. Is it because Imo and non-chat? So no mundo wafiga uti. We booed Uzwane when he gave the ball to Lion Foster. When Lion Foster missed the goal, we say boo. Or when we didn't want Zwane or Lion Foster to take the penalty. Who told you go to Ama Buccaneer fans booed? That stadium was packed and mixed with fans. This and that and that. And when we came, just because it was played at Orlando Amstel Arena, you are a Pirates. When we go to FMB and then it's a sold out and then Sati Amakhosi are the ones booing because it's stadium sabo. Wena so-called legend. Yini ngama legends against Pirates. Wena tikombudisa andi legend lesdagwa leyo. Yini? What's going on nama legend against the Pirates? Are you mad at Alashala Pirates or are you mad to see Ama 2000 are now bigger than any team in any club of yours? Hi man, and the worst part about this, it's team yako. So-called team yako Amakhosi bagcining in league. It's been 10 or 11 years bona having held the league. Babizi bathi bazo support Moro Mexico. It's team yako. Awukhulumi. Bawubizo ola Pirates this Pirates that when I'm a legend of fake ma fuck off luna man.
Okunye ukucasula ukhune phela siyazi 2015 ayefuna ukudlalela iPirates ngesikhathi khamba uMashamayite noMandla Masango khamba uBaxter. Even yena ukhune wavalelisa kwiChiefs. iChiefs yamreleasa. They put out a statement which I've actually shared here below. Mawuzobuka iFacebook post yami ukulandela iFacebook page. Ngenzela bathi nginamanga from the Kaizer Chiefs official Facebook page. There was a statement esithi ukhona uhambile and siyamazi ugoalkeeper owayekade umngane wakho shona lokho emposter those days ethi hawu kodwa Nkosi yami legazi kamngane wami wahamba waya kwiPirates yamreject iPirates. So usanyanyile because ukhune played 10 years with Chiefs without winning a trophy. In fact, he's part of that demise ye Kaizer Chiefs. Saying in our time Tina we're winning we ban. No. That's a lie. That's a bloody lie. He was part of the demise. Might in their time musho in. Is it not his time between 2015 and 2024? Is it not his time? Bless. That's their time, Okun. He was part of that trophyless team. Egadidlala kwiLokhoza kwiPSL. Okuphikayo even uMichael Motini wamtshela emehlweni ukhulu ukuthi wena only won 4 derbies. Nabu ufakazi.
Chiefs.
Who has more wins between the two of you?
Between the two of us. Happy does.
Do you know how many?
No, I don't know how many, but I know I've won a couple.
You two, do you know how many derby wins you have?
Less than 10 out of the 28.
You two has 4 derby wins. Happy 9.
Can you see, it wasn't easy to win a derby during our playing days. It wasn't easy.
Yeah. Okay.
iPirates imfana yakudla kusenomshangazike no Lucas Thwala bekorela yahamba yakudla ngeinkomo gabuza wadliwa ngolochi wadliwa ngomemela bebekhashaza nje abafana bePirates washaya ngomanyisa bese center. You were losing a lot of games against Pirates. How nali battle tu iPirates iqedile mfana ngenduku phela ubuyisaka khasha akusho mathini fail ama trials pressure yafuthi nali battle bhakabhaka sakhuluma ngaye ke lo baba lo okuthiwa ukhune engakhulumi nje ngebafana angakhulumi isidalo ngebafana because iBafana the only tournament where he kind of played good football was 2009 Confed Cup, like 17 years ago. Wayegcina lapho ukudlala kahle kuBafana nakhona wabamba ipenalty ka David Villa wabamba ipenalty yakhe. After saving a penalty, instead of ukulala nebhola abha isikhathi abakhiphi energy wathatha ibhola liphosa phambili labuya lazongena within a minute of saving that penalty labuya lazongena. Kokunye ke wayesidlisa nje beshama on goal no Bernard Parker ebhava ngamabhola eshaya eMauritania ezale kude amabhola ayezingenela bemshaya bese sente emile ayezingenela nje amagoli esidlisa nje siza la ko 2015 2017 ube sasafeyila ukuqualify AFCON ka 2017 because of you. World Cup 2010 wazwaphipha uMunib Josephs ubheda wakuphipha uMunib Josephs washa lo Diego Foleni igoli engaphandle kwebhokisi. Yelesibili kwaba ipenalty yakhozwa nguwe iTemelo Nkhune. That penalty wayikhoza wayidaliswa uSuarez kwaze kwangena uMunib Josephs wavimba kwaze uMunib Josephs wawina the next game sekuvimbene une red card la neFrance. Awuna win wena World Cup. 2 awukazi uqualify le World Cup wena une AFCON wayidansa lothu uyiqualify ungayiqualifyelanga nabadlali boshabalala. That's the only legacy onayo Bafana. Legacy yakhe wakwenzelani Bafana ngoba even Olochi bedlo salale elokhuze Egypt bese kuvimba uRonwen Williams yini akwenzela Bafana yodwa ubukhuluma Bafana nje. You should shut up when it comes to Bafana. Okunye international football kuyacaca ukuthi ayibuki mina fini watching football mina Bafana bami ngazi iWorld Cup ka 94 mina uClaudio Tafarel evimbele iBrazil sadlala uRivaldo beqoko 10 Bafana uRoberto Baggio eshaya ipenalty phezu kwepali kwifinal iWorld Cup yase-USA naye kungitshele mina khulu ulokhuzana ukuthi ipenalty mayizoshaya umdlali iqala ibanjwe ngomunye ibhola ukuze bedistracteke benze research ngomuntu obamba ibhola bese emva kwalokho ipenalty shaya ngomnya ukwazi into enziwayo yona leyo. Azpilicueta weChelsea ucaptain wayenza le nto eyenzela uKai Havertz ukuthi abadlali kwiFIFA Club World Cup final beswame yena uAzpilicueta ekubenazi kahle ipenalty zoshaya Havertz. Akazubona iPirates yenzani kwinto final eNedbank Cup against Sundowns ibhola libanjwe uMabasa kanti ipenalty zoshaya uMaswanganye. Ingoba ungabonanga nje khathi uMaswanganye naye eshaya ipanenka against Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ibhola laqala labanjwa uMakhopa into ongayiboni yonke leyo wena wazwa ichaza leyo nto leyo hamba ubuka iBucks camp ekhuluma ngalokho uMaswanganye echaza ipanenka ukuthi ibhola labanjwa uMakhopa aqala wazwa wathi uvuma ngiyazi I know kuzoshaya wena Maswanganye woza walithatha uMaswanganye washaya phakathi ipanenka. Awuyazi leyo nto leyo lento benza uThemba Zwane uqala nje ubona umuntu ephethe ibhola bese linikeza omunye umuntu akazibona uRele wena ethatha ibhola bese linikeza uRadio Pane ezoshaya ipenalty sidla iMarumo Gallants ngo 8-1 wawungayiboni leyo nto leyo wawukuphi awuyazi nje leyo nto lebenza uThemba Zwane wena usuqhambela abalandeli bePirates amanga kahle boba kahle ilegacy yakho yeBafana wena ayikho awukwazi uqualify iWorld Cup wena oqala nje that's a fact. Second wawusidlisa dlala noMauritania uzidlisa ngoMauritania ngo 3-1 uvuza vu uyisaka ngoba ubhizo phaphela eParis njengamanje uvuza vu ubuvuza mfana ngiyakutshena ke mina ngifuna ifike futhi kuwele njengoba yafika na Dr Khumalo hawu nali ibhadi lethu ungangitshela ukuthi iChiefs yasidla ko M10 final kwavimba okhuzwayo lapho isidla nje ngoMiddendorp iChiefs bekuvimba uAkpay nje isidla uYusuf Marti beshaya amagoli bese center bekuvimba uPeterson even before besidla uThabo Mahlaba edlala esuni khumula ukuthinhle ebambile bekuvimba uBrilliant Khuzwayo nje. Mina iChiefs ngiyazi isidla ngoKhuzwayo isidla ngoPeterson isidla ngoAkpay isidla even nango Bartman mavimba ukhune I knew ukuthi it's a win or a draw. Isingena sine draw but we more likely to win. Wawina 4 games in 15 years against Orlando Pirates 4 out of like about 30. So ungangitsheli mina ibitterness yakho siyazisuka nokuthi iPirates ayikuthathanga ngesikhathi uhamba yakubuyisela emumva wabuyela kwiChiefs wadlala ungasafuni ha nali ibhadi lethu